out on this run, but I decided I'd whip out here today and have a bit of a look, and so far I've really enjoyed it. Looks like we're on bitumen already, so that didn't last, I didn't go all that far. So what have we got happening here? Tell you what, this is a steep little pinch. Look at this. We're going right down deep into a gully here. Really steep one. So we're down here now. Looks like we're going down into a creek crossing. Ooh, there. Swing out that way. Oh yeah. Looks like this would be a dangerous place to be in the flood. Lower down here. Looks apart. Oh yeah, I've seen what they've done. This must be a really dangerous crossing, and they've done a seal section either side of it to make it a lot easier for people to bring all-wheel drives, caravans I suppose, anything like that coming through. And I would say back to dirt just once we get up around here. Here we are now back up in dirt again. What a great little road to ride on. Yeah, I bet you there's plenty of people that like to get out and ride this road. I'm thoroughly enjoying the experience myself. So it'd be better if I'd be on the right side, so we'll swing over this side and do it properly. We're on a little bit of a climb now. Actually not a little bit, it climbs right up there. All the way up along here. Doesn't matter wherever you go, just notice the magpie fly out of that tree. Here's another one crossing the road here now. Wherever you go, there's magpies everywhere. We're heading into the back part of the rough area where I live, out around towards Hill End, bridle tracks, stuff like that, into that area. There'd probably be in this area wild goats, things like that. and we're virtually in the opposite end of the gully what we were up over to earlier on, but not many trees around here either. It's really, must be a really cold hole of a place in the middle of winter. You can just tell by the vegetation, just looks really cold here. I think it's typical, really typical Enfield country. Wow. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. A really nice place to drive. Or should I say ride. Cattle too. What we're going to bump into up here. Ah, that's what we're going to come in with. One cow calf along the way. Wouldn't want to be built over that hill and into a side of beef.